Hey everybody, check out what I have here. I have a USB rechargeable salt and pepper grinder. Like, how cool is that? So we're gonna check this thing out. Let's see. Does it say who it's by? It just says wood color. I don't know. I don't know. Let's look at it here and we'll see what it looks like here. Ooh, that looks really nice. Ah, that's gonna be. Oops, one of them. Oh, I guess it goes that way. And this one here goes this way. Ah, so you can fill it up like that, and then you put it on there and close it up, and then you've got an extra little cap on the bottom, so it'll grind it on its way out. How cool is that? Let's see what else we got in here. So we have recharging cord, a little cleaning brush, and that's it. Okay, so we can recharge it here, and the recharger looks like it's on the top, and I guess we just put salt and pepper in there. I mean, I don't have rock salt at the moment, or peppercorns, I don't think. Let me see. No peppercorns. How funny is that? I got a whole spice rack without any peppercorns, but I do have some salt. So let's try this thing out with salt. I don't have the salt, whatever it's called, rock salt, which I do need for this probably, but you'll get the idea. So we go like that, and then I'll open up the bottom, and then here we go. So if I want to get salt out, I don't know if you can see. I'll get you up close here. So this is what it's going to look like. So the salt's coming out. How cool was that? That's really nice. And it doesn't really leak or anything, so that's nice. So that's what I'll be using. So I'll make some eggs or something. I'll just go zoom, zoom, zoom. So a really nice little set here. So you get a salt one and a pepper one, and you're good to go. So very cool. Thumbs up from me.